All right, guys, welcome back to another exciting episode. Tonight, I'm sharing a game changer, the one-handed bra trick. This is a skill every gentleman should master. Picture this. The moment's right, the chemistry's sizzling, and you're ready to make your move. You confidently perform this smooth move, impressing her with your finesse. So let's dive in and break it down step by step. First, get familiar with the clasp. Understanding the mechanics is crucial. Most bras have a hook and eye system. It's a simple yet effective design. Run your fingers along the band until you feel it. This tactile familiarity is key. Now, the grip. This is where precision comes into play. Use your thumb and index finger to position yourself correctly. Pinch the clasps together, bringing the hooks and eyes closer. This is the critical moment. Think of it like snapping your fingers. It's all about the right amount of pressure and movement. The twist. This is the final touch. With the clasps pinched, give a gentle twist. This motion will unhook the bra. It's a smooth and subtle action. Practice makes perfect, so try it out on a spare bra at home. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Remember, confidence is key. Approach this with a calm and assured demeanor. Take it slow, don't rush. The goal is to make it look effortless. Make eye contact, keep the mood light and fun. This is about connection, not just technique. And there you have it, the one-handed bra trick. With practice, you'll master this in no time. Master this, and you'll leave a lasting impression. It's a small gesture that can make a big impact. Got any tips or stories? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more smooth moves and tips. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, keep it classy. Stay confident, stay smooth.